go. All right, we're good to go. Hello, this is Gerry Nolan here from Stack & Co. on behalf of the Dublin Java User Group, DubJUG.org, and we're here today to have a short conversation with our good friend and long-term DubJUG Platinum member, Tomasz, I should say, Tomasz Rycerz. Did I pronounce that right?
Almost.
How should we say it?
Rycerz.
Rycerz. Oh my God, I was very off. And Tomasz is from Poland, and he's moved over to Ireland this last few years to work in the software industry. And while I wasn't able to pronounce your name properly, I do remember you told me in English it means knight, like K-N-I-T-H-T. So we have a very honourable gentleman here today for our conversation. So you're how long are you over here now? You moved over here, is it over 1 year or?
In Ireland?
In Ireland, yeah.
Actually, because that's my second time in Ireland. The second time I came in almost 7 years ago.
Right.
But the first time I've been here 4 years, so altogether it's almost
11 years.
Yeah.
Like a native Irish person now.
Exactly. Yeah.
He liked the weather, you know. That's why he came back. He liked the rain. And the reason you may be wondering, well, what's our conversation about today? The reason that we're talking to Tomasz is we have a monthly competition at the Dublin Java User Group, and this month Tomasz is our grand winner for a subscription to the JetBrains product. So,
right, yeah.
Are you happy about this?
I can't even say how happy am I. I was so lucky, and that was actually the first time I have ever won anything like so. So especially the JetBrains project is like. Yeah, great.
Excellent. So he's happy with that, and I think he got down. We had a two-stage competition process just to make a little bit of fun at the Java User Group event, and I think there was 3 people like semi-final.
Yes.
And then you.
I was surprised being in these 3 people actually, and then I won. Yeah. IntelliJ, this product I always wanted to try.
I'm Catherine Askell, the founder of GuruTeam. GuruTeam specialises in delivering high-end ICT technical training and consultancy services. What makes us different is that we employ the creme de la creme of specialist instructors who have vast real-world experience and passion for the technologies they teach. With a continually evolving portfolio of over 250 courses, we can customise a programme to suit your team. We have one of the largest portfolio of cloud, Linux and development courses in Ireland, and have several accreditations including the Linux Foundation, LPI and the DevOps Institute. We would be delighted to talk with you about working with your teams, so please visit our website on www.guruteamirl.com.
And now I have a question.
Good, excellent, good.
I'm very happy.
Good. What about like your own background? Like how did you get into software or computing, and you know how did that evolve up until today?
I was interested in programming actually since I was 15, 16.
Oh, right,
in high school. I started from that was Turbo Pascal, and then I went through the PHP, Java interested me. I started reading a lot. It was like, oh my god, that's it.
Yeah.
So I tried in Java a few projects, but still I need to learn, and
continually. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So actually all my life, all my works was in IT. So
excellent.
Basically over 20 years.
20 in different parts of it. Yeah. And different experience.
Studies and work.
Excellent. And it's a long-term journey. I mean, there's always something new to come out.
There's always something
to learn, you know.
Exactly. So you always feel busy in IT because there's always something that's coming. So
you have to keep up with it. And you're, as I said earlier, Tomasz is a regular attendee and a member of the Dublin Java User Group, and you come to all the events, and you know, as we know, we have excellent international software speakers come to these events. So like for yourself a technology person and as a Java developer, what benefits?
Gerry Nolan here from Stack & Co. When you want to change your job, you'll want to make a move which will give you career growth, interesting projects and a fresh challenge. At Stack & Co, we can help you make that career enriching move by taking the time to really understand your individual interest and what represents the best next step for you. Let's have a confidential conversation to discover your career enriching move. Contact me on www.stackand.co.
Do you get out of coming to the Dublin Java User Group?
First of all, very, very valuable speeches and people who came in with the presentations this is top of Java world, and I always you find out something new from them. But even meeting the people in here, you can share your ideas. You can learn a lot.
Good.
Seriously, I would recommend that group to everybody.
Excellent.
It's if you want to develop yourself in Java, you should join us.
Brilliant. Did you have out of all the different speakers we've had over the last several months, is there somebody who might have been your favourite speaker or favourite presenter? Do you remember?
Definitely Venkat.
Venkat, yes.
This man, this guy is unbelievable. The knowledge and the way he shared the knowledge is you can listen to him and listen.
Venkat S. How do you pronounce his surname?
Subramaniam.
That's the name. I never can say it, But we had he actually did 2 back-to-back sessions at the Java User Group because it was on a Sunday, and the energy he had. I mean, he stepped off a transatlantic flight from America, and he went for 3.5 hours. We literally had to stop him and kick all the people out, and because the second session was starting again, and he went for another 3.5-4 hours. It's the guy's energy was
powerful, man.
Powerful, yeah. The knowledge was the best, So, do you think now with this competition you won, this product from JetBrains, that you'll be able to do maybe use it in your own work or use it to do some projects you've been working on? What do you think you can do with it?
I would start using the product. Sorry, in my private project at the moment. I still have to prepare some project for myself.
Equifax is a great place to work for, especially to develop your skill set as a developer. The company culture and the office atmosphere and the location are all perfect. A lot of our projects actually focus on big data and the cloud, so we use a lot of cutting edge technologies in our projects. So you'd see things like Java 9, Angular 2, AWS, Docker, and recently the ELK stack. You're constantly working on projects and products that are actively used every day, so that you know that your work actually means something. So if you'd like to learn more, get in touch and log on to equifax.com.
So definitely I use IntelliJ.
Excellent. You'll have a lot of fun now in the evenings after work, learning this JetBrains and practicing in tutorials and.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right, definitely.
Yeah. Well, it's great because it's a fantastic tool to have for sure. And what about yourself? I mean, as we discussed earlier, you're 20 years about in technology, and you've worked in different parts of it, right? And another 20 years going ahead. Where do you think maybe over the next few years, where do you think you'd like to see your career, your job? What would you think you'd like to be doing? What tech would you like to work with in the next 3 to 5 years, let's say?
What I would like to be doing, definitely programming Java.
Excellent.
Working on projects. This is what I want to do now. Probably I found out.
Yeah.
this is what I want to do. So I hope in next 3-4 years I'll be there somewhere coding.
Excellent. Yeah. You like the hands-on.
Yeah.
The engineering, technical. So you think this is the route? Like, do you see yourself maybe in 10 years' time, maybe like being a software manager on the management side, or would you prefer the technical?
Maybe I always wanted to develop myself.
Yes.
So first of all, I would like to code, but if something like if I decide to move on one day, maybe I would try to be a manager or product manager. Or,
Yeah, so you keep the options open.
Yeah, but definitely I would like to concentrate on programming now.
Excellent. Good.
Java.
Hi there, John Bulger here from Version 1, an IT consulting firm that grew from 2 people back in 1996 to over 1,000 people today, with 100 Java developers alone. Core values is something that we take very seriously in Version 1 and is ingrained into every decision we make and into our culture. If core values and strong principles is something that interests you, then we would love to hear from you. You can find our website at www.version1.com. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Java programming, you know, if anyone has any good projects out there, you know, talk to this man here. He's always keen to hear what's happening, you know. And as I said, we'll see you soon again. We have a lot of events coming up at the Dublin Java User Group, and you can see these events on the website, which is DubJUG.org. That's DubJUG.org. So have a look on the website, and of course Dublin Java User Group on Twitter, and find out what the next events are and what speakers are coming up, and hopefully we will see you at some of the future events. So this is Gerry Nolan from Stack & Co. on behalf of the Dublin Java User Group. I want to thank Thomas for coming along and collecting his prize today, and for his time with the interview. It's been great to chat, and we will hopefully see you all at the next event very soon. So take care. Bye bye.